Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a font on Slack. So once you're on Slack, simply click your account on the lower left hand side and click on the preferences. Then on the left side, click on your appearance. At the top, you will have fonts, and by default it is set to later. So you can go ahead and choose something else in the list if you so desire. So let's say I want to choose this one. You see that everything now changes in that font. So this is how you can easily go ahead and choose whatever font you want within this Slack app. So this is very easy for you to do. So if you see somebody's Slack app looks slightly different, it could be they're using a different font and a different theme and colors as well. So this is how you can easily go ahead and change that up, right? It's really up to you. Really hope your phone is valuable, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching.